Hey guys, this is Jasmine Katrina. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we are doing this look with all new products. Foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, not blush. But anyway, if you like this look, make sure you stay tuned to see how it comes together. Alright friends, let's get started. So I'm gonna do a quick moisturizer with my Milk moisturizer cream. For today's primer, we are gonna go in, actually we'll use a mattifying primer today, with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop mattifying primer. Now today we are trying all new face products, from brows to foundation, concealer, lip, eyeshadow palette. Everything is new minus the blush, but other than that, so we are going to try the LYS or Liss beauty brand. This is a Sephora brand, or I'm sorry, this is a black owned brand which is now in stores in Sephora, and you can also shop them on their regular website, so I'll link that below. I am in the shade DPN4. So we're gonna do foundations first today, and first brows. So my new brow pencil is the NYX, aka New York AUTOBROW pencil. Okay, so foundation. Shake it up a little bit. I'm gonna go right in. Okay, so foundation is on. I'm gonna take my makeup sponge and just quickly buff out that concealer. And now for under eye, we're gonna use Cappuccino for the under eye. Do a little bit right here. And we're gonna take our makeup sponge. I did wet this a little bit, and we're gonna just clean that up. Okay. Same thing here. Gonna take on the nose line, and we're gonna just buff this out down the line. And with no extra product, I'm just gonna bring it down to my lip. Okay. Now going back in with the foundation brush, I am going to just clean up that line of where the concealer meets with the foundation, especially at the forehead area, and buff that out a little bit. Okay, so eyes are done. Face is done with the concealer and the foundation. I am going to take my LYS setting powder. This is in the shade Dark Deep Loyalty, and then you can kind of tell this is what it looks like. Love this stuff. So I'm gonna grab your brush. And the best part is that it comes with a mirror too, so you can kind of see what you need. And I'm just gonna set the areas where I concealed. Forehead, down the nose, and above the lip. Okay, now for eyes. I grabbed this palette from Ulta. This is the Hangin' in Hawaii 14 shadow eyeshadow palette. So as you can see, oops, sorry y'all. This is what it looks like. So we are going to do a little bit of a bright look, but nothing crazy. So first things first, we're gonna take, it's not all over. Okay, we're gonna take this brush here, and we're gonna start with Mahalo, which is this brown, and we're gonna go right at the edge here. Okay, and just buff it in right here into the ends. Then we are going to go in with a more of a refined, fluffier brush, and I need to brush these and wash these. So we're gonna go in with Hibiscus, which is like a peachy pink, and we're gonna go right here, right into the middle. Oh, wow, this is very pigmented. Okay. Okay. Same thing on this side. I did not mean for it to come out. Alright, y'all, I'm trying to watch TV in the background, but okay. So I'm gonna keep blending this out because I did use a little more part than I anticipated, but you know. Same thing on this side. And then with a flat brush, something like this, we're gonna go in, and I think I'm gonna use Pineapple, you know, Sandy, for the shimmer. So you can tell this does have some leave out because some of it fell out on my things. Now, taking a different brush, I'm just gonna blend this on out into the peach. Same thing on this side. Now taking your foundation brush, not your foundation brush, taking a clean brush, you have one, you're gonna take that and I'm just gonna wipe off any of the fallout that I got. Okay. Right now it looks bright AF. Did not mean for that, but it's okay. I'm gonna get some lashes because lashes will make this look better to me, so. Let's see. Ooh, okay, so let's see what we're working with today. on this side. Okay, I'm gonna clean up a little bit of that bright shade. I didn't really want that, so I'm gonna take a little bit, a really tiny amount of this concealer, and I'm just gonna pack it on right here and right here. And then with my blending brush, I'm not using any product, I'm just gonna like blend this out. That ironically came out better than I anticipated. Or I want to clean them up. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of contour. So we're going to do one line right here. We're going to do one line right here. And with a wet, my damp sponge, I'm going to take the butt of it. I'm just going to blend it out. And this is kind of the cool thing about like makeup, because I've made a mistake and now it looks like it's meant to be like a blend. All right, cool. So for blush, I am going to, this is not new, I'm going to use my Saharan Volume 2 palette. Sorry, yeah, Volume 2. And we're going to use the color, I think Tau would be nice for this, which is going to be right. And we're going to be right here. And I'm going to take the flatter side of my brush. I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit because I ended up taking on more than I wanted. Same thing on this side. And for lips, we're not gonna do a matte or lip color or some type of bold color. We're actually gonna do my new e.l.f. EYESHADOW lip balm. This is in the shade Tough Cookie as a gloss. So let's, I forgot to take the little plastic thing off. I should have been better prepared when I filmed to do this. Hold on one second. This smells good. How do we... I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. Okay. Well, I think this came out pretty decent. Let me fix my brows for a second. Hold up. Wait a minute here. Okay. So, all in all, I think this is really cute. I feel like I kind of did this a little sporadically because I was trying all new products, but the new products that I did try, I did like. I love the Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX concealer. I love Liz Beauty's foundation. I really do like this formula. It has a little bit of a scent, like a makeup chemical-y kind of thing, but nothing that's like too overwhelming or just disgusting in its own right. But it is great. It full coverage. It looks fantastic. I really like this. I did tweak a little bit of the eye look, but it came out ooh, my lashes came out beautifully. So I hope, okay girl, this lash is trying to play me. Hold on. Okay, anyway, I hope you guys like this look. Okay, hold on, This blush. It don't even matter because I'm not about to wear this look all day. But for the sake of like, okay. Anyway, sorry about that, but I hope you guys like this look. I hope that you like the products that I use. I'll make sure I'll link everything below so you guys can look at it yourself and try it out. Tell me if you tried Liss Beauty. Would you try their foundation? Do you use any of the other products that I have that I've used in my own video today? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you're always up to date when I post new videos, and make sure you hit the bell notification so you always know when a new video goes up. Until next time, friends, and until we meet again, be well, do well, and be safe.